Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will give you teaching tips how to teach proper noun in the class. So let's start. Teaching proper noun to kids can be fun if you use stories, activities and comparisons. Let's start step by step method to teach proper nouns. First of all, start with what they knows, explain simply. Noun are names of people, place, animal or things. Then add. Some names are special and start with the capital letters. These are called proper noun. You can use Hindi also. प्रॉपर नाउन वह होता है जो किसी एक खास नाम को बताता है, जैसे राहुल, दिल्ली, गंगा. प्रॉपर नाउन्स ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद द कैपिटल लेटर्स. प्रॉपर नाउन हमेशा बड़े अक्षर से शुरू होता है. यू कैन एक्सप्लेन दिस. कंपेयर विद कॉमन नाउन्स. गिव द चाइल्ड common noun and proper noun. Boy Rahul, city Delhi, animal tiger, school DPS school, book Ramayana. Say boy can be anyone, but Rahul is one boy's name. That's special. You can use interactive activities like shorting games. Write words on card. Let's kids short into common noun and proper noun. Name the nouns. Say a sentence. Ask them to clap when they hear a proper noun. Use name hunt. Ask kids to look around the class, home and find 3 proper nouns. Example Pepsi, Nikhil, Lego. You can use rhyme or songs also. Names like Mona, India, June always start with a capital soon. A name is special, you will see it's a proper noun just like me. One more, a proper noun is a name like Simran, Delhi or game. Always pick the first letter, make your writing so much better. Use practice worksheets. Underline proper nouns. Rani lives in Mumbai. Rani, Mumbai, these are the proper nouns. I read the Ramayana. Ramayana is proper noun. The dog's name is Bruno. Bruno is proper noun. My school is DPS. DPS is proper noun. Give pictures and let them fill in the proper noun. A school. Student will write Happy Valley School. A dog. Write the name of dog. Tommy, Rocky. A city. Write the name of city. Chennai. Gurugram. Use storytelling. Make a mini story. Once there was a girl named Anu. She lived in Bangalore. Her pet dog's name was Rocky. Let kids identify the proper nouns in the story. Thanks for watching. If you want more video, please like and subscribe my channel.